What is up guys, Dan at the side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can remove the OTP verification in Zoho Mail. So first you need to head over to Zoho Mail's website, and then on the right side, you need to click on your profile and then click on my account. After that, in the new tab, your accounts will open. So from here, you need to enter your password and confirm that you are the only one using your account. And after that, on the left side, you will see the security option. So just click on this, and then here you will see all your security features. From here, you need to click on multi-factor authentication, and then here you can see there are 4 types of multi-factor authentication. The first one is OTP authentication, 0, Zoho One Auth, or security key or passkey. So if you have the OTP authenticator or any of these, you will see the option to delete or disable it. So just simply click on that to delete or disable your authentication. So whether you have any of the multi-factor authentication in 4 of these, the disableness is universal. Every process is same in both of these or all 4 of these. So you just simply need to click on this delete or disable button to disable it. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.